Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your Oculus Quest app not turning on. So let's get started. So it is very easy to fix. Okay. So here we'll just open the Meta Quest app first. So here you have to open. So here you can just log in with your account. Then you have to press and hold. Then click the I button. Just go to the storage section here. Then click on clear data. Just clear the existing data. Then you have to open the app again, and if it's work then fine. If it doesn't work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So after checking your update, it will work. So this is how to fix your Oculus Quest app not turning on or not working. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.